Igbo Igbo abịakwanụ m ọzọ ọchajukwanụ m isi na maka Chukwu ọchajugo m isi na gaa topic m gaa ka ikilie topic m ka ifu ife nchọ itreat na kita gaa clear topic m ọsịsọ ka ifu ife nchọ itreat kita ọsịsọ maka onye si na alụ dị mma alụ bido na be nne ya, onye si na ihe ọjọọ dị mma ihe ọjọọ bido n'isi onye ahụ na n'isi nne ya na n'isi nna ya na n'isi ụmụnne ya nwoke na isi ụmụnne ya nwaanyị. Onye si na ihe ọjọọ dị ihe ọbụla bụ ihe ọjọọ isi na ọ dị mma, if you must endorse ihe ọjọọ because of gịnị ihe ọjọọ ahụ bido be nna gị, ihe ọjọọ akọkwana be nna gị. Ma ajụsi ogu na before mbido kwuo efe nchọ ikwu. Come on, si ebe a pụọ ọsịsọ. If you say that bad thing is good, if you say that evil is good, if you say that evil is good, if you say that sacrilege is good, if you say that abomination is good, let that abomination and evil start right from your family. In fact, from yourself. Share my video if you care to. Onye si na ihe ọjọọ dị mma n'ala Igbo, ihe ọjọọ ahụ bido na be nna ya na be nne ya, ihe ọjọọ ahụ bido na nne ya, bido na nna ya, bido na onwe ya, bido na ụmụ ya niile, bido na ụmụnne ya nwoke, ụmụnne ya nwaanyị. Yes, ọ bụla ya ka nchekwuo ka people bata. And go to my topic and then you will see what I want to treat. Even though I wrote it in Igbo, for those guys who don't understand Igbo. For those guys who don't understand Igbo, my topic is saying, if you say that it is right for 2,000 heads of Igbo people to be sacrificed for one stupid person called IKO NSI, let it start in your family. In fact, let your generation never know peace. Let your generation never know good life. Because those 2,000 heads are human beings, Igbo people like you, who did not do anything. That's what I'm going to treat this today. If you say that if you support, because you know, some people are so evil, they cannot even condemn. When you hear something, you can't even think through what you are listening to. Am I hearing right? What is this guy saying? No, all in the name of Biafra. Nnamdi Kanu is right to say everything, all in the name of Biafra, all in the name of fucking freedom. He is right to do every abomination, every evil in Igbo land, all in the name of fucking freedom. And to say everything or anything, if you say, and mark my word, if you say that it is good for Nnamdi Kanu to order for the killing or beheading of 2,000 fucking Igbo men, Igbo people, whether it is Igbo or not, because our Igbo na son so balance so true, and if you support it, you are listening to me and you are watching to me. I am speaking under the influence of my Abu right as I'm talking to you now, and I fucking don't care. If you are watching me, whether you support IPOB, whether you support ESN, whether you are for freedom or not, and whether you are supporting Nnamdi Kanu because he's an Igbo person and because you think it's Igbo thing, or because you think he's fighting for you, or because you think he's doing one or two things for you, and you, in your right mind or in your fucking satanic mind, support the fact that he said with his mouth that 2,000 heads of human beings will be killed for IKO NSI to bury IKO NSI. That, by the way, Oba of Benin is only 100 heads. IKO NSI or IKO NSI should be buried with 2,000 heads. And you, a woman, and you, a man, and you, an old man, a chief, Igwe or Eze or politician or whoever you are, and you support it, let it start from your mama, your papa, your sister, your brothers, your sons, your children, and in your family. Death will never leave your family. I am speaking under the influence of my Abu right now. I've been holding myself. I have been holding myself, and you want everybody now to begin to cry and begin to feel pity. Are you in your fucking? Are you in your senses? No, you can show red card for all I care, but I say let it start from your fucking ass. You are the one who should be sacrificed for IKO NSI. You are the one who should first be sacrificed. Your blood should first be spilled for the burial of that IKO NSI. Who knows what you guys have been doing? Who knows? Oh my goodness me. You know, I've been keeping quiet. I've been also so busy. But I still, each time I think about this thing, I say, is this thing happening in Igbo land? That nobody will talk about it? We've been talking. We have been talking. You think you can bully everybody into fear that somebody will come and say that after all, in Benin, 100 heads are used to bury Oba of Benin, but for the IKO NSI, 2,000 heads. Your leader, your fucking leader said that, and you didn't see anything wrong in that. You don't even know when to withdraw, when to draw back and say no. This thing, the red line has been crossed. You don't even have unso again. Your ears don't even have unso again. You people, your ear don't even have unso. You don't abhor anything in Igbo land anymore. You don't. You cannot even identify what is a sacrilege anymore, because you have been, your tongue has been, you're finished. You cannot even, your ear cannot even identify evil, sacrilege, abomination when it hears it. That is how bad it has come to. Because somebody is your brother, because somebody is your leader, because you think somebody is fighting for you, that person have the right to say everything he wants to say. Whether things that are considered abomination, whether things that are considered a sacrilege in our land, you will approve of that. All of you will approve of that. All of you will face music in Igbo land. Igbo land, you don't even know what Igbo land is. You don't even know what Igbo land is. This one that I am in, you don't know what it is. I told you people. I said so. I said so. Austin Solution, or whatever you call yourself, let it begin from your mama, your papa, yourself, your children, your entire generation. If you support the fact that 2,000 people should be killed in Igbo land for the burial of one single idiot called IKO NSI, then let it start from your life, your own very self, your family, your entire generation. You see, the thing is that you people have learned how to close your ears to something that is happening in your presence, and you are chasing shadows, and you are talking about something that everybody knows. Who doesn't know that Nigeria is bad? Who doesn't know that Nigeria is messed up? Who doesn't know? Do you need a microphone? Do I need anybody to tell me about Nigeria? Do I need any prophets? Do I need anybody to tell me about how bad Nigeria is? So because Nigeria is bad, I will approve of somebody who come out and say that 2,000, do you know what 2,000 people means? There are some churches that are even not up to 1,000 members. So because Nigeria is bad, 2,000 people should be killed in Igbo land because Nigeria is bad. You are fucking kidding. You are joking. You are an idiot. You have no nso anymore. Your ear, your senses no longer recognize what is nso, what is abomination. That is how bad it has gone to. That is how bad it has gone to. My friend talk about this. What? My friend talk about this. Talk about, you want to tell me what to talk about? Do you tell your idiot what he will talk? You can't even tell him what to talk about. You don't even know when he's talking something that is abomination. You don't even. You cannot. And you want me to pity for him? You want me to pity him? You want me to come and begin to say or begin to cry? Do you know how many people you guys must have killed to bury people? 2,000 heads. These are, and he has the effrontery to come online and be saying it so boldly. So boldly. So boldly. But some of my friends, they don't even say anything about it, against it. I've got friends who sympathize with some of these things. But once you, hey my goodness, if you support that 2,000 heads be slaughtered for one stupid IKO NSI, my dear, let your generation never know peace. And I'm saying it again, I'm repeating it under the influence of my ego. Like I've been keeping quiet, but I see that it's not even like as if I don't know. It's not like I don't know. Hey, like you are joking. Some people don't want to. You will close your eyes to evil when it's happening right in your compound. All in the name of freedom. Freedom you've not got. Freedom you have not received. No one have given you freedom. Freedom you will not even get that way. You will not even get that way. So because Nigeria is bad, 2,000 people have to be sacrificed for one stupid idiot. And 10 young virgins has to be killed because of Odeshi. Okay, let's even forget the 10 virgins. The one that the Alomeli Igbo said with his mouth. Every one of you had him say that. Every one of you had him say that. Nobody can come out and say, no, this has gone too far. This joke has gone too far. No, this is the time for me to withdraw from this whole thing. No, because your senses are destroyed. You don't even know what is evil and what is good anymore. You can't even decide or decipher what is good and what is bad. You cannot. You cannot. Because even if they shit in your tongue, you will swallow it. You swallow it. You swallow it. What are you talking? In Igbo land, I told you people, you cannot insult Igbo land. Igbo land will fight for itself. I told you, when you leave what you are and begin to chase what you are not, you are going to continue seeing death. I told you people. I told you people. Once you leave what you are not And Biafra, you are not. I am Igbo. If I should fight for anything, it should be Igbo nation. That is what I am. Biafra, I am not. Biafra brings death. And look at, even the person who you believe is fighting for your freedom is giving you death, all in the name of Biafra, and you cannot identify it. You cannot even feel it. You cannot see it. You are so blind and dumbfounded that you cannot even feel these things. Everything about Biafra is death. Even the slogan, Biafra or death. And that you shall receive, and that he is giving you. Even the slogan around the Biafra is death. Biafra or death. And you are dying, and you are being killed. I told somebody, I will never forget anybody who killed a young Igbo police girl who is the breadwinner of the family from Nkano. I will post her video. Her picture. Who is from Nkano in Enugu. You killed her. Because killing is nothing to you anymore. Because if you can kill 2,000 people to bury one idiot, you see, can't you see? Can't you see that it's all about death? Because that is what you are not. You are pursuing, you are fighting, you are rejecting what you are, and you are pursuing what you are not. And you are not going to get it. You are not going to get it. Instead, you are getting death. Death, death, death. Death, death. Save my video. I am very angry. Very, very angry. Very, very angry. Very, very angry. Again, if you support that 2,000, let's even say, please, comment, just comment. Do you really in your right mind support that 2,000 people in Igbo land be killed for the burial of one ESN member? Do you support that? Yes or no? Do you support that, please? Do you find it as a good decision, as a good thing, as something very good to do? Say yes or no. Let's know. Even you who is against what I'm saying, in your right mind, say yes, it is good. Just write, just if you believe it's right. If you believe the person who said it is right in saying it, say yes, it is good for 2,000 people to be sacrificed for the burial of IKO NSI. Just type it. Let it be on record. And if you don't, if you see it as evil, if you see it as sacrilege, as abomination, and you say no, it is not right, say no, it is not good. Say it is not good. Just type it. Let it be on record. People are supporting evil in broad daylight, and you tell me you want freedom? You are joking. You are not getting anything. Everybody is seeking for peace, but no one is seeking for justice. Justice is that no one should die. You don't kill anybody. You are not the one. And the person who is saying this is the person who is calling Elohim. So Elohim is bringing you death. My goodness me. In the same mouth, in that same mouth, he used to call Elohim Chupokika Abiyama. In that same mouth, he's using to say 2,000. 2,000 people has to be killed for the burial of IKO NSI. After all, above Benin is 100. In the same mouth. In the same mouth. In the same mouth, Bikonu. In the same mouth, in the Shabbat. In the same mouth, in the Jewish Shabbat. In the same mouth, in the Oka. In the same mouth, in the IPOB. You, that is a member of IPOB, you may not like what I'm saying, but your leader is called for the slaughter of 2,000 people for the burial of one IKO NSI, and you did not see anything wrong in it. You shall be judged in Igbo land. Step your foot, all of you, one by one. You shall be judged. Whether you are abroad and you are supporting it, or you are in Igbo land. It's a matter of time. It has started. One by one. one by one. Unless you come out and say no. Draw a line. Choose you this day. Is it right or not? Is it right or wrong? Is it right or wrong, please? And I'm saying it's wrong. I'm saying it's wrong. Hey, man. 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 You have no right even to kill anybody. That is murder, for goodness sake. That is murder. Igbo na so and so. It is one of the things that is considered as alo in our customs and culture and tradition. I want you to be very, very clear on this. Do you support that 2,000 heads has to be slaughtered, I mean, cut off, to bury one IKO NSI, as may have happened? As may have happened, though, you know, this thing has been ordered for a long time, I mean, in the past, but I'm talking about it now. As may have happened, which means it is possible, it is likely that 2,000 people may have died in Igbo land, and you people are walking around just as if nothing happened. It is likely that 2,000 people may have been slaughtered to bury the IKO NSI. That is what it appeared to be. And you want me to shut up my mouth? You are joking. Amu Berogi. Oh man. I'm not even talking about the virgin, the 10th virgin for the Odeshi. That one is not the one I'm talking. But the one I heard from the Alumeli Igbo's mouth. From the mouth of Alumeli Igbo. Hey, man. Man. Wow. Nah. Your own life is sacred, Abi. You that is saying, that is supporting it. Opando na talk uto, opando nkegi amaka, nkegi di okay. Yeah? Nkegi di okay. Ichoro yenwunu. Ichoro yenwunu na support ya. Why not go and put your head to be counted among the 2,000? Manam do na talk uto, utoto, itatola, rienni. Abani nata rienni nabula larula inu parala mi bapu jezo mani supporto chupu ga akpọ unu niile ọkụ. Ani Igbo ga-enye unu ọsọ, one way or the other, I tell you, one way or the other. Ani Igbo ga-enye unu ọsọ. Maybe why you are watching this. You are watching this, and you have listened to this video. You have listened and heard Nnamdi Kanu say this. Remember, this thing have passed. Remember, it has passed. Remember that 2,000 people may have actually been killed for the burial of this IKO NSI. Just know that in your head. But what I'm saying is, if you think it's right, you support it, I tell you, death will never cease from your family. Death will never cease from your family. You will see evil that will be happening in your family. In Igbo land, once you are an Igbo person, you support it. Why can't... Come. Are you the one to tell me about Nigeria? Do you know Nigeria better than I do? Do you know Nigeria better than myself? Are you more Nigerian than myself? All of us are carrying Nigerian passport plus maybe other passports that we are carrying extra. Yeah, well done, yeah. Are you the one to tell me about Nigeria? So because Nigeria is bad, because Nigeria is not working, 2,000 people must be slaughtered to use as human sacrifice for the burial of IKO NSI, for the burial of one ESN member. And the one you consider your leader is the one saying it, declaring it, and ordering it with his own mouth. And you want me not to say it? You want me to be quiet about it? Wow. Nah, man, our people have finished. No more sense of reasoning anymore. 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 Chai, man. Anyway, I don't have too much thing to say. I even never intended to do this in English. You gotta go. And what more to talk come on. If I do putame do putagopam. You gotta go. If I do putame do putagopam. Cambia pupa can see you. Or brota can pube. You gotta go. Ihan na wunobo. If you oboro na ihapu ihebo na achọ ihe na aburo ana nna gị ahụ ị na-aza afa nna gị ahụ ị na-aza hi man ị mana ọ bụgo ihe mgbaru na mgbe gara aga nna m geenụ ntị ihe ọbụla nna m na-agwara m nwaka eze wa nna amalụ wa Igbo kwewe onye Igbo wa never ewo obu n'ugwu and obu n'ugwu n'onwe ya down to 7th generation. Ihe ọbụla ha na-mention ha na-agwara m, it's not true as far as I'm concerned. Anything these people mention their name na-agwara m na pass it down does not exist. They did not mention anything about Biafra to me, to their sons, 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 even to me. No. Neither does your forefathers mention Biafra. What they were mentioning, what they were telling us that we have always been is Igbo. We have always been Igbo. Biafra will bring you death. Biafra had killed you in millions, had killed us in millions. Biafra will kill you again, and Biafra will continue to kill you once you stick your head and continue to seek for what you are not instead of what you are. Igbo will give you life. Like I said just a while ago, the slogan Biafra, even the slogan around that Biafra or around that IPOB slogan is Biafra or death. You see, Biafra or death. It is all about death. It is all about death. Who is calling me? Who's calling me? You understand? So Biafra has always been giving us death. Gave us death up to about 3-point-something million or more died. Anytime you mention, oh my goodness, do you people realize it? Anytime you are mentioning Biafra or pursuing anything Biafra, it will always give you death. The only thing that will give you life and keep you alive is what you are, which is Igbo. I am Igbo. Call me an Igbo person. Even the slogan says Biafra or death, which means if you don't get Biafra, you'll die. Biafra or death. Give us Biafra or we die. Give us Biafra or you kill us. give us Biafra, or but the thing is that some of you are even afraid of that death. You will say Biafra or death, but you'll be running. You will say Biafra or death, but you'll be hiding. You will say Biafra or death, but you'll be using fake accounts. Why can't you? Why is it so difficult to see that it is all about death? Even anyway, I will stop here. I just want to bear it out the way it's given to me. You understand? I just want to bear it out the way it's given to me. So if you support that 2,000 people be slaughtered, as it may have happened, for the burial of one person who is a member of ESN, then let death never cease from your family. Let evil, let cry, let agony, let pain never cease from your family. And I say, Obolo na kanso ni Igbo. Obolo ni na akwado. Obolo ni na akwado na odimma. Obolo ni na asi na odimma ma na akwado. Ka ebe isi mmade 2,000. Mmadụ 2,000 na ala Igbo ka e wee nie ofu onye a na-akpọ iko nsị. Ka ọnwụ ghara ịkọpa n'ezinụlọ gị. Ọnwụ akọpara n'ezinụlọ gị. Ihe mgbu akọpara n'ezinụlọ gị. Ihe isi ike akọpara n'ezinụlọ gị. Obi nkoropụ akọpara n'ezinụlọ gị. Afụfụ akọpara n'ezinụlọ gị. Ihe ọjọọ akọpara n'ezinụlọ gị. Ihe ọjọọ akọpara n'ezinụlọ gị. Ụkọ, ụbịam, ụkọ, ihe ụkọ, ụbịam akọpara n'ezinụlọ gị. Mwee si ise otu a m kwuru ya ka ọ ga-adị. Tụ onye ọbụla na-akwado na ọ dị mma ka e gbuo mmadụ 2,000 n'ala Igbo maka na a chọrọ ini ofu onye. Ọ bụcha ka ọra m n'ọnụ. Ekwupụgolu m chi m, kwupụrụ agwụ m. Bọsị ntanụ ka anyị chọọ n'owere nchi. Udo dịrị unu. Share my video for those who want to share it. Share it because we need to condemn evil. Share it. You understand? Share this video. I know the ones who will share it. There are so many of you who have already shared it. I think maybe let me see if I would bring somebody in. Or if you want to say something, you can come on. If you want to say something, you can. If you want to say something, you can come on. What am I when they charge? Oh, and the one there. Oh, and the one don't come. You hold your bros, you hold your nayafa. Ihe ọjọọ abụrụzi ihe ọjọọ na ntịfa. Ihe ọjọọ abụrụzi ihe ọjọọ n'irufa. Ihe ọjọọ abụrụzi ihe ọjọọ n'ọnụ ha. Do you understand? No. So, anyị ma na enwere ụdị ndị ahụ. Etago, ụlọ ahụ na ngwa na nkwụ na-abịa. Ọkwa n'ala Igbo, n'ala Igbo nke a. Ọkwa n'ala Igbo. Ka anyị na-ene n'anya n'ọnụnụ. Ka anyị na-ene n'anya. Anyị niile nọ n'ala Igbo. Ka anyị na-ene anya otu ọ ga-adị. A sị m na ọ ga-adịrị unu na mma. Ndị niile ihe ọma na-amasị, ndị niile ihe si na ihe dị mma dị mma, ndị niile si na ihe dị njọ dị njọ, ndị niile si na igbu ọchụ bụ ihe ọjọọ. Ọ ga-adịrị unu na mma n'ala Igbo. Chọsị onye ga-ebu ọ bụrụ nwa Igbo. A sị m nnọọ na nke aka ka m si uru na onwe ozikwa aka m ụkwụ m iji dị ihe m nwanne gabara ụwa gị jee gburu ụgbọ ọchụ gị mana iburu ya bịa saịdị m ka anyị mara mbe na-abụ nke bụ oke. Ekelekwa m unu ndị ihe na-eme na-amasị. Daalụ unu. Ọchị ntanụ ka anyị chọọ n'owere nchi. Udo dịrị unu. Bye.